Everybody, Dustin Troyan here, huge Motor4Toys news. Every year for 20 years, we have a Secret Santa, and this year, this is the first batch. There's 10 pallets of soccer balls. I don't know if you guys can see all this. And I've been told I should have 3 truckloads like this coming for Motor4Toys. So this is what one person does every year for about 21 years. And this is the tradition. That to the person who does this, from the bottom of my heart, I thank you. The kids thank you. Incredible day. So now I got to pull all the balls out, bag them, count them, inventory them, and we'll start getting this stuff out to kids in need all over Los Angeles, Southern California. So Secret Santa, thank you so much. Everybody, give what you can give. Motor4Toys.com, give big. Let's make this the best year yet. Invite your friends, car clubs, everyone you know. December 8th, Motor4Toys.com, at Pierce College, sponsored by Porsche Woodland Hills. This event happens because of all of you in the car community who make it happen. So thank you, and let's make this the best year yet. Go Motor4Toys.